Australia because Shiraz is a really big deal in Australia. That last year Shiraz was 46% of the Australian red grape crush was Shiraz. So I think it was 28% of the total grape crush was Shiraz. So over a quarter of Australian wine is Shiraz, and it's by far the hero of Australian red wine. And for the really not so exciting reason that it makes quite reliably fruity red booze, and that's really quite boring and often industrial, and it can survive in all sorts of places. So Australia's growing Shiraz from Queensland to Tasmania and all the way across, and the majority of its fruity red booze are really quite dull, and that's not what we're about at Mount Langi at all, and it's not what lights my candle about Shiraz at all. And so if I think of Shiraz or Syrah when it's good and when it's grown in the right places and in cool places, and has so much more than just red fruits, that spice and pepper and florals and even savoury elements that can really make a glass of great Shiraz come to life and have personality and character and be what you're looking for and keep bringing you back. So I want to make finer and more elegant wines. I want to make wines that have that nuance of spice and florals, and that's really what I hope you'll see in the progression of wines in this little flight of Langi Shiraz, because I just don't want to settle on anything, and I want it to be as exciting as possible.